Welcome to our guide on how to tag friends in your live video on Facebook. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, launch the Facebook app on your Android device. Tap on the What's on Your Mind section to create a new post. Select Live Video to initiate setting up your live broadcast. Tap on Go Live to start broadcasting your video live. During your live video, tap the three lines at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on Add to your post to include additional elements. Select Tag Friends to tag specific friends in your live video. Choose the friends you want to tag, then tap Done to add their tags to your live video. By following these steps, you can easily tag friends in your live video on Facebook, allowing them to be notified and engage with your content. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to tag friends in your live video on Facebook. Enhance your live broadcasting experience by tagging friends and involving them in your live video content, creating a more interactive and engaging viewing experience for everyone involved.